Okay, people, this is Dolan Hayes, aka Gwen, and I'm out here today as the second part of my project, and basically this was a dare. So I'm out here today in this 2016 blizzard slash storm, and please believe me when I tell you it is treacherous, it is dangerous, it is awful out here, it is slippery. The precipitation of this snow is very horrible, is awful, and it's terrible. Okay? The visibility is really, really bad. Okay? And it's a lot of heavy snow, a lot of heavy wet snow, shall I say. It's a lot of heavy wet snow. And it seems like we're at the second half of this storm, of this 2016 blizzard. Okay, so the last time I came out here was actually a foot of snow. Woo! It's cold out here. God damn, it's motherfucking cold out here. Don't do it, people. Stay at home. If you home and you're warm in your beds, stay at home. I advise you, stay at home. Do not try this. Do not try this at home. Please believe me, you're in the right place where you need to be. Okay? Because it is freezing out here. My hands are freezing me. My ears are spanking cold. God damn. Oh, my shit, it's cold out this motherfucker. I'm sorry. I can't help myself. Okay? So like I was saying to you, the last time I came out here, it was 1 foot of snow. And as it is right now, the time is approximately 2:30. Okay, 4 hours later. And as you can see, I did in fact bring my measuring tape so that I can measure the snow and see how much accumulation there has been within the past 4 hours of this blizzard. Okay? So, as I take a moment to measure the snow, okay, to see exactly how much snow New York State and New York City has accumulated. Now, before I do that, I want to say stay off the roads. Don't be a knucklehead. Don't be stupid. Don't be an idiot. Stay off the roads. It is dangerous. It is treacherous. It is terrible. Okay? If you have little kids and you want to let them play out in the snow, please keep a close eye on your children. That's all I'm saying to you. Okay? The visibility out here, the precipitation is awful. It is terrible. It is wet snow out here. It is slippery. It is wet. It is black ice out here. It is icy. Okay, so let me complete my job for a moment, and I will take the time to measure the snow for a second time around. Okay? So here we go. As you can see, I am taking the measuring tape. Let me try it over here. Taking the measuring tape and pushing it in the snow, as you can see. And it is over 2 feet of snow. Okay, fellas? That's approximately how much snow is on the ground in New York State, New York City, approximately over 2 feet. And this storm has no signs. Woo! God damn! Woo! Oh my goodness. I picked the wrong damn time to come out in this motherfucker. You hear me? God damn. This storm has no signs at all of slowing up at all. Okay, so I just want to tell everybody out there, be safe. Stay warm. Check on your loved ones. Check on the elderly as well. Okay? And I'm going to try to make my way back home because my hands are totally freezing out here. And I mean, it is freezing out here. Please believe me when I tell you, it is absolutely freezing out here. Okay? So, as you can see, I'm showing you the snow. The covered white snow that has accumulated around the city. Okay, so it's dangerous out here, fellas and people, and it's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse than this. This storm has no signs of slowing down at all. And as you can see, my phone is starting and beginning to fog up on me, okay? So I apologize if it's not clear enough for you guys.